Now I show you how to work that security alarm system. That one manual, okay. The main device, that one supported one siren, one micro SIM card, one charging port, mic, the power on button. We will make power on. See, hold that button 10 seconds. That now power on. That one sensor and one remote already, that all parts already configured. Now we will check. See, the remote system, lock the device, unlock, okay. That home defense system, okay. We will unlock, we will lock the device for enable the alarm system. Now we will check this one door sensor. I will remove. This alarm, okay. We will check motion sensor. Now motion sensor enable. Now we will enable the defense system. See, now disable. You can disable by remote, by card also, for tag, okay. Disable the motion sensor, because now if you didn't disable, then automatically working. So now you can add extra part also, extra motion sensor, extra door sensor you can add easily, and I will show you how to add